Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the Chinese chicken sauce. So if you love some chicken sauce, keep watching this video. First of all, I've got my chicken breast over here. I'll just go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. This has been washed very well. After cutting everything, this is what we have here. I'll come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of a blended mixture of garlic and onions. A little bit of my favorite seasoning. Dark soy sauce. Curry. Some white pepper. Black pepper. I'll grate in a little bit of nutmeg, salt to taste. I'll break in an egg. I'll come in with my wooden ladle and mix it up. I'll pour in about 4 tablespoonfuls of fresh milk. This will make it very soft. Finally, I will come in with about 4 tablespoonfuls of regular flour. I'll go ahead and give this a very good mix. I'll put this in the fridge and let it rest for about 1 hour. I'll put a large pan on fire and come in with some oil. Now I will drop in my coated chicken breast. I'll be doing this on medium fire. Since it's very thin, I'll fry each side for about 1 minute. So when it turns golden brown, is ready. As you can see, they are ready. I'll go ahead and get them out of the oil and fry the rest. Using the same pan and the same oil I used in frying the chicken, I'll drop in some chopped garlic. I'll let this fry on medium fire for about 1 minute. After a minute, I'll drop in my chopped onions, some sweet pepper, and some carrots. I'll stir fry it for about a minute. You don't need to overcook them, you just need to soften them up a little bit. I'll come in with some white pepper, some dark soy sauce, and I'll pour in about half a cup of warm water, a teaspoonful of cornstarch to thicken it up a little bit. This smells super good. It's time for the chicken. I'll drop the chicken into the vegetables and give it a good stir. I'll go ahead and come in with some more dark soy sauce. As you can see, I didn't put any salt in this one. This is because dark soy sauce is super salty, so you have to be careful. I'll come in with some sweet corn. I'll go ahead, cover this up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And the magic ingredients, this is a teaspoonful of sugar. So it's been after about 10 minutes and you can see it's almost ready. I'll get rid of the lid and let this cook for 2 more minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Our super delicious Chinese garlic chicken sauce is ready. This goes well with rice or some potatoes. Guys, you definitely need to give this a try. It tastes so good. Well, if you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.